Yes, members of the press and all the viewers outside there. My name is Agan Malerbiang Aye. I am the chairperson of the high-level committee in charge of the organization of Baralakazal County's Peace Tournament, BCPT, that is today organizing the inauguration ceremony of the new leadership under Majong Ayar Cheng, and also the drawing of the pitches and the payment of the champions of the previous BCL, according to the resolution of the president, 23 president of the counties of Baralakazal. They resolved that if people have resort to BCPT, that means that Irul West, who is the champion, and Irumek Center must be cleared by the newly established body. That's the way that they have to be cleared and all this. So these are the three things that are going to happen today. So as you see, the decoration has been done already, and the people have just started arriving. And you need to ignore this circulation outside there that this event is not going to work. This event is going to work. The security everywhere is the people that are coming to cause chaos. They will deal with the government concern. And otherwise, this event is going on as planned. There is nothing that is going to interrupt it. There is nothing that is going to make it fail. It's going to work by all means. So all the people outside there, you are all invited to attend this event so that you witness the drawing and also the launching of the inauguration of the new body, and so that we can also give the award to the winners of the previous league. So if there is any question, you can ask. Maybe 2 to 3.
My name is Graham Malone. I work for one news agency. My question will go actually on time. You know, some people actually, according to the banner that we received the other day, it was supposed to start at 10. So now can you specifically tell us at what time will it kick off?
Yeah, actually, as you know, people are arriving now, and we have some delay, and we are all set now. I think at 3 the event is going to start immediately, because our guests, 3 or 4 there, the event is going to start. People that will be attending whatever state peace tournament matches and those of Lagos state matches, they will join us with the match actually. So that we will also have dance, cultural dancers will be with us, they will dance. We have everything, our guests will come, will arrive immediately, and then we start the event.
Okay.
So our event is going on as planned. So there is no interruption and there is no internet. So I think I will stop. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.